Hello guys, CodefForge here. Welcome in the next video. Today I would like to show you how to install Vault, and the Vault is the secret management application, and we will use it in the future to connect it with our Spring Boot application. So let's download it first. On this page, by the way, we are on the vaultproject.io. We can select the operating system for which we want to install the Vault, and we'll be installing it for the Windows host machine 64-bit. All we have to do here is to hit the download button. I have already did it, so we can move to the next step. After downloading, we will get the zip file which we can extract. So we right click, extract all, extract. We'll get the directory, and inside we will have the Vault exe file. We have two ways to run it. First one is to open the console over here or the PowerShell window. So I hit the shift, right click, and I can open the PowerShell in this localization. And now I can simply use the Vault exe, and I want to run the server in the dev mode. So I say server-dev. We hit enter, and after a few seconds the server should be up and running. Okay, so we can see that Vault is up and running. If we scroll up, we can find the yellow section, and over here we can read that our Vault server is working in the dev mode. Also, if we want to work with the Vault using Commandline Interface, we have to set the environment variables using one of those two commands which are over here. And the second important section over here is this unseal key and the root token, and we'll use the root token to log in into the Vault. So this is the first approach. In the second approach, it is possible to access the Vault from anywhere in our system by adding it to the path variable. It is very simple. I will show you. So we want to open a new PowerShell window, and over here we want to say set x, we want to say path, and now we want to copy the path to our Vault directory. So we want the directory where our Vault exe is living, and we want to put it in the quotes, and we want to insert it, and we hit enter, and we can see that specified value was saved. And now you can use Vault commands from anywhere in your system, not only from the directory where the Vault exe is living. Now let's access the Vault web interface. I don't want to go into the details of how to use the Vault. I just want to show you how to get started. I have navigated web browser to the local host on the port 8200. And this is where our Vault web interface is living. We can sign in to the Vault using the token that has been generated when we have started the Vault dev server, and it is over here located in this yellow section, and it is called the root token. So we'll copy it. I have to hit the Ctrl+C. Okay, and we'll paste it and sign in. This is the main dashboard of the Vault. We have the cubbyhole and the default secret engine, which is called secret, and it is the key value secret engine version 2. We can add new engines. So for example, we can add another KV, so key value secret engine. We can add some cloud secret engine like Active Directory or AWS, etc. When we add the secret engine, inside we can add new secrets. So for example, we'll use this default KV secret engine, and we can create a new secret over here. Now we have to somehow name this secret. So let's say it will be credentials. And over here we have to specify the key and the value. So let's say it will be login, and it will be admin. And we will add another one, and it will be password, and it will be test1234. We can save it, and we can see that we have a new secret that is called credentials, and you can see the JSON structure of it. So it is pretty cool, and also we can version those secrets. We can copy them and we can see the history of it. So it is pretty cool. What I also want to mention is that you can do all this stuff from the Vault CLI, so you can do it all from the console. Okay guys, so this is pretty much I wanted to show you today. Remember that this is the Vault in the dev mode, so this is the development mode and it shouldn't be used in the production. And if you kill the process responsible for the Vault, all your configuration, all your secrets will gone because it is all stored in the memory. But for us it is good enough because we can use it to connect our Spring Boot application with it. So this is all guys, see you in the next video.